Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to pay with coins on Aliexpress. Let's get started. First, log into your Aliexpress account. At the top of the page, go to My Account and select My Coins for the menu. Here, you'll find different ways to earn and collect coins. Once inside the My Coins section, you'll see your total coin balance. Click the arrow to view your coin history, which shows how many coins you've earned and spent. To use your coins, browse AliExpress from items that offer coin discounts. These products will show a discounted price when you apply coins. Once you find a product with a coin discount, proceed to checkout. Apply your coins and the discount will be automatically deducted from the total price. And that's it for today's video. That's how you use coin to save money on AliExpress. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.